All right, so this is a Jeep. He says that the engine is broken down, so we didn't try to start it. We just put the neutral override from the steering, from the center console, popped it into neutral and rolled it out. So we are taking this one to, it's a newer dealership. They have been pretty solid up to this point. I haven't had any bringbacks. Like typically you get bringbacks for like when there's oil changes. A lot of times they'll do the double filter when they're doing oil changes, or if it's not that one, another big bringback is thermostat crap with overheating. A lot of times something will overheat and the thermostat won't get changed, or it will get changed and it'll be a bad thermostat. Get a lot of bringbacks because of that. But at this in particular dealership, I have had 0, which is a good thing for the dealership. Pop it, brake. All right, now we're on the winch. 100% on the winch. Nice tires. It's all right. When them tires touch the front of the bed, they're on that metal, it's almost just, yep, super slippery. And a lot of times you get to a point where you get that one set and it's almost always dead on. Now sometimes there'll be like a flat tire or something and you'll have one thing fighting against you, but I have a winch remote for that. But I have been trying to practice not using the remote. That way, if I ever don't need it, or if I'm ever in a spot and it's not working, I'm not crippled because of it. So we're gonna go with this neutral override. Here we go. Now there is a Dodge dealership in Marietta. I'm not gonna say which one, but that one is not the, I've heard a lot of bad stuff coming out of the one in Marietta, but this Woodstock is good. And they're closer to me, so I would have brought some stuff back by now, you know? Last 2 on. Pray to God some bigger stuff comes in tonight with me being first out, hoping for some count calls. Keep me busy all night. hoping for. What is that in that tire? Is that like a plug? One more. There we go. Customer gave us permission to use the footage. Asked us to keep his tag off, no problem with that. If you guys haven't already, smash that like button and we'll see y'all at the unloading. Alright, well, started unloading and realized I hadn't hit the button. Mechanics come out and took a look and pretty much can tell. I don't know how they know all the stuff they know, y'all, but mechanics come out and took a look in 5 minutes and knew exactly what was going on with his vehicle. They could tell the customers pretty much what he had kind of done with the taking stuff apart, and they could tell they knew so much stuff, man. It's mind-blowing to listen to what the mechanic said in a matter of 20 seconds about the job that the customer had done, which wasn't, you know, he didn't do a bad job. They're just saying that they could see what had happened. The motor could tell a story, right? They did say that there would be some type of different, it's kind of hard to explain the jargon, but basically some type of different paperwork has to happen. I can't remember what the word of it that they said that was called, but there's a word for it. It's something that they have people sign whenever they have like kind of done a little bit of work themselves. Basically, RO was the word, and I don't know exactly what it means. I'll probably end up Googling it and finding out. Something probably to do with just kind of like liability. I hope she's not going to walk behind the vehicle, lady, please. Well, you're in a bad spot. Jeez, lady. Well, she just messed up the entire back up walking behind us. Well, I tell you what. I mean, dude, she just literally walked behind a rolling truck off of a wrecker. You cannot fix. You cannot fix that. I mean, she walked right behind me whenever I'm backing the, right behind me. I've hurt my back doing this. I've actually been told not to do it no more. That's not gonna cut it, dude. I cannot believe. I mean, walked right behind it. There we go. Yeah, I'm not rehooking everything up to the truck. They got the keys and all that, you know what I mean? Let's see what we got. It's a lot better. That's a lot better. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, smash that like button. And man, I couldn't believe she walked right behind that wrecker like that. Thanks for watching.